I just got up and I was like, you know what, I should go get myself, you know, done up.
Woman, don't mean that your hair do. Pretty nails and shoes don't mean you have 2-3 man where you spend.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today's Tuesday. Let me put the windows up. Today's Tuesday. I believe it's September 8th. Tuesday, September 8th. So today I'm just doing a little day of pampering. What was supposed to be a whole day of like pampering. Right now it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so pretty late already. I washed my hair, so it's still air drying. Well, the way I'm heading to now, I'm heading to get my nails done, a pedicure and a manicure. So I'm bringing you guys along with me for that. The place that I go to get my nails done, I call them first to see if I can get an appointment like around 10:50, and they were like, for an appointment today, the earliest they have is 12 o'clock. I was like, y'all know your girl is always running late. So I was like, let me not even try to play myself with this, with trying to get this 12 o'clock appointment. And I was about to start working out anyway. So I'm like, let me not even like mess up my routine. Let me just do what I gotta do. And I'm like, do you guys have anything else later? They said 5:45. So I was like, okay, 5:45. The person that I normally have do my nails is not even available today. She had no open appointments, which I figured. She's always like pretty booked up. So it's all good. I just got up and I was like, you know what, I should go get myself, you know, done up. So the video that I'm putting up today is a vlog, so hopefully that does well. You guys have been, I don't know, sometimes you guys like the vlog, sometimes you guys don't, but I'm gonna still test it out and see how it goes. I mean, I like doing the vlogs. For me, it's easier when I'm like this in the car, but I do get nervous when I'm in public, which I guess is normal. I don't even know what color I want, but I'm not gonna get any tips or anything. I like how healthy my nail beds are, so I might just get a gel mani and a gel pedi, because y'all, when I put gel on my toes be lasting for a while, looking so fresh, like fresh. You guys don't put gel on your toes. You might want to splurge a little bit and just put gel on your toes, because it, well, for me, it lasts. Alright, so see you guys in a bit. And guys, so I'm back in the car. Their new policy is to have you wait in the car, and then once the nail tech is ready, they'll give you a call, which I prefer. Just don't want to get caught in the rain, but that's pretty nice. So I'm gonna sit here. My video just went live, so I'm gonna post like promos on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow your girl on Instagram. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. Yeah.
You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not.
Alright y'all, so I'm back in the car. Look at my nails. I just got white nails, Funny Bunny by OPI. So it's just white nails. See? It's a classic look. I couldn't record in there, and I recorded a little bit of my toes, but I couldn't record any of my nails. I'm just taking on these bobby pins to help my hair dry a little faster. Like I said, I haven't been to the nail salon since COVID started, so I had no idea like how much different things that they were doing now with like pre-screening. You had to sanitize your hands, take your temperature. I know like doctors' offices do that, and then wash your hands before you could even touch like the sample colors to pick your nail polish. So after I was done doing that and I was heading back down to the reception area to look at the nail polish, y'all, I realized your girl does not have her wallet on her, okay? No wallet. So I was like, damn. So I asked them if I can do Zelle or Cash App and they take Zelle, so I just did Zelle to pay. And I have no cash on me. I don't know, I don't walk with cash, so yeah. So I couldn't give the girl a tip. She did a really good job. Nails look so cute. I feel like a brand new woman. Like, nails done. My feet look so good. I got Funny Bunny on my feet. Well, you guys saw in the... So let me go ahead and just head on home. Hey guys, welcome to another day. Today is Tuesday. It's been a whole week since I vlogged. So we're about to run some errands. I need to go to Dollar Tree. I need to go to Target. I have a coupon for Victoria's Secret. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna go there as yet. I also have a coupon for Ulta. I'm definitely going there. DIYs that I want to try. So yeah, I'm gonna see if they have the Dollar Tree near me has that stuff. I also want to go to Target and I want to go to Home Goods. So that's the plan. Right now it's 3:35. Y'all know the time in my car is fast. That's why I always go to my watch. I keep the time in the car fast because your girl is always running late. So that's why I always have to look at my watch. But that's the plan. And also today Apple launched. They had like their Apple event, September event. And I was just like tuning into that. So I'm thinking about getting a new laptop. Because my laptop is just... I don't know what the hell is going on. Like, everything is just running so freaking slow. It doesn't have a lot of memory, so I edit through my memory card, not memory card, through my hard drive, external hard drive. So that takes care of that problem. But I don't know, for the past couple weeks it's just been acting crazy. Almost forgot to take my scarf off. And yeah, for some reason, like, I wear makeup to work every day. Every day I wear makeup. But for some reason, when I'm not working, I just want to be free and barefaced, you know? And the reason why I wear makeup is not because I don't like my skin or I don't love me. It's just to enhance my beauty. And I feel like because I look so young and I just want to wear makeup so I look kind of closer to my actual age. I have dark circles and discoloration, cover that stuff up. But when I'm not working, typically I just like to get up and go. Don't worry about no makeup or anything like that and just go, you know? So yeah, I'll see you guys inside of Dollar Tree. You guys just got in here. So they have a lot of Halloween stuff if you guys are into decorating for Halloween. Just in case you guys didn't know, Dollar Tree has a lot of inexpensive like cards right now, and they're Hallmark. Right now it's 2 for $1. Every occasion. This is where I usually come to get my cards. They also have a lot of party supplies if you guys want to plan a birthday party. I won't recommend the toys like as party favors, but you can do like the decorations, the candles, the tabletop streamers. You guys could also get a lot of school supplies in here. I'm looking for, it's supposed to be like decal stickers, kind of, labelers. So they also have a lot of electronics, flashlights. You know, hurricane season is here in Florida. Light bulb, AirPods, chargers. I was trying to find an iPhone charger, but I don't see any. But I did find a case for my iPhone, but the only one for my size is black. But they do have some cute ones here. And they have a whole frozen section. French fries, eggs. And there's also glasses. And these are actual glass, not plastic. I'm gonna get these 2 signs. And they're super cute. Aluminum foil. Guys, there's also a lot of makeup. Alright y'all, so I'm back in the car. Damn, I just spill hand sanitizer on myself. I noticed that they didn't really have a lot of stuff. I didn't find the jars that I wanted to get to do the DIY in the bathroom. So I also noticed that they have a truck coming in right now that they're offloading. I will see if I'll come back tomorrow. Let me see what I can find at Home Goods and stuff, and then I'll decide. But as you guys see, they have a lot of really cute and nice stuff in there. Not looking for anything in particular, just, you know, I spent $15, $1 to see what Target has on sale, and I'm gonna go to Home Goods first, and then I'll go to Target. And for this week, I'm trying to take a lot of people's advice. You guys have been in my DMs and you guys have been leaving comments, so I'm gonna definitely try to cut down on the carbs. And this is the second round of my 3-week, so Friday will be 6 weeks that I've been doing this workout. So I'm gonna do it one more round, give it my all, and then I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna do it again. I might do it 2 more times. All right, so we're gonna do this. Let's see what they have in Home Goods. Home Goods as well has a lot of Halloween decorations. They have like the pumpkins. These look like all year round stuff. $20. Maybe I'll consider like decorating my house for the fall. It's $14. That's super cute. This is really cute too. $20. It's only one. $3.99 is not bad. That's cute. This is super heavy and cute. It's only $10. That's so nice. Guys, this section is so cute. I had to show you guys it. Thinking about getting 2 of these. I think they're so nice. This would be nicer in like a gold. It's only $20. I guess you could like spray paint it if you needed to.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
And a lot of these decor pieces.
I'm sorry for what I have put you through.
This one looks really nice to me. It's not really showing up good on camera, but it's like blue with like glitter and stone, kind of like sand. It's $39. So guys, I like this. But this is super cute. These are really nice. So I've left Home Goods and I decided not to go to Target just yet because I felt overwhelmed. Like, so much cute stuff, inexpensive, but I just want to get my vision together completely before I go ahead and start spending any unnecessary money, because your girl does not have it like that. I decided to go ahead and just come to Ulta to use that coupon before it expires. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll probably vlog in there. I don't know how I'm gonna feel. Let's see. Okay. So this is the We Dad section here. I just got one of the custards. I'm thinking if I should get the deep conditioner instead, because it's $38. So I can get more of a discount off of the 20%. I don't know yet. Have you guys tried this line, Crayon Essence? I don't know, every time I come it's like completely sold out. Haven't tried anything from them, but I definitely want to, but it's just always sold out. Always sold out, so I don't know. But let me know if you guys have tried it. Guys, these are the concealers that I like using. Love using them. Let me just show you guys really quickly. This is my favorite mascara after the MAC mascara, but I don't know when I'm gonna see a MAC. So this is the Maybelline Big Shot. I also got the Main Choice. Focus. Smells amazing. If you guys haven't tried Main Choice deep conditioners, I definitely recommend them. So of course I got the We Dad Curl High Defining Custard, and then I got an eyeliner. And I got you guys know this is one of my favorite concealers. If you didn't know, now you know. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is in Warm Honey. Yeah, let's just go, all right, and see. Remember the last time I came they had no line and I was bragging like there's only one person in line? This freaking time there's a line outside, you know. I felt like I picked a day where there wasn't much people. Today's only Tuesday, you know? It's not the weekend. But I don't know. Hopefully it moves fast. So guys, this is a salad I normally get, but I just realized it has 20 grams of carbs. It's the broccoli and kale slaw. But I'm guessing that it's from the dressing and the fruits. So I'm gonna leave it alone for now. I picked up the Buffalo Ranch and the Southwestern chopped salad instead. Guys, I'm trying to find teriyaki sauce to go with my salmon. It's turkey bacon the last time I was here, and this was really, really yummy. It's really thick slices. Almost mimics pork in a sense. It's really good. I think I'm gonna try the island. I have my salmon, grapes, sweet chili, Brussels sprouts, chopped romaine lettuce with my Caesar salad. I showed you guys those two already. Peanut butter, the teriyaki sauce I just picked up, cucumber, hummus, banana, and I also got some flowers. Just super pretty. Hey guys, so I just left Trader Joe's. Got a good bit of stuff. Spent $100, but I got protein powder and I got vitamins, so that brought it up a bit. Not bad, not bad at all. So this is gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, hanging out with me, running some errands, you know, shopping a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
A laughing flame. All who did not know me when I done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.